What a beautiful day the Lord has made for us today to celebrate and witness the wedding of Lacy and Keenan. As Lacy and Keenan stand before us, we see a couple that shares a beautiful love for each other, a deep friendship with shared dreams and aspirations for their marriage. In their own words, they find in each other a place of easy conversation, a place of safety, a place of care, humor, and laughter, shared dreams for today and the future that lies before them.
Lacy, from the moment we met at the boiler room, I knew there was something different about you. I remember leaving that night so excited for what this could be, and now here we are, about to get married. When I came down to visit you for New Year's in 2019, I remember sitting in the hotel room before you picked me up. I sat in the shower and I prayed to God that you were the one. And almost 6 years later, he answered that prayer, because here I stand about to become your husband. I love you and I care for you more deeply than I could fully explain. You're the most caring, loving person I know, and I'm so grateful I get to spend forever with you. I promise to grow with you, laugh with you, cry with you, and walk through every season of life with you. From the smallest everyday moments to the biggest milestones, I'll be right there by your side. You're my best friend, my answered prayer, and the love of my life. And today I give you my forever.
Keenan. From the moment I met you, my life changed in ways that I can never imagine. You may not be the stereotypical romantic, but you always show me where it matters. For instance, when you flew across the state 1 week after we met to spend New Year's Eve with me, that's when I knew you were something special. Falling in love with you has not been like falling at all. It's been like walking into a house, knowing that I'm home. To be loved by you is the absolute greatest privilege of my life. You are my best friend, my confidant, and my greatest love that I've ever known. I love you more than I can put into words. And I am literally the luckiest person alive that my forever gets to be spent with you.
Lacy, before God, family, and friends, do you take Keenan as your beloved husband to have and to hold through laughter and in sadness, through challenges and successes, so long as you shall both live? Keenan, before God, family, and friends, do you take Lacy as your beloved wife to have and to hold through laughter and in sadness, through challenges and successes, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Oh my, here we go. Feels like we're on a roll. It's the summer of love in the city. We're chasing something great. Why don't we celebrate? It's the time of my life when you're with me. I like these nights with you. It's feeling like the start of something new. Let's dance under the moon. Yeah, yeah. I like these nights with you.
So, by the authority vested in me, it is my great joy and privilege to pronounce you husband and wife. Keenan, you may kiss your bride.
Choose each other every day. It doesn't have to be grand gestures. All the little things add up to what your life together will become. Laughter before bed, sharing an inside joke, or the hand that you reach for without even thinking about it. It's those little things that add up, and one day you will look back and realize you've built a life that you love. Just remember, no matter what life brings you, love your marriage as much as you love each other. So with that, I want to raise a glass to the happy couple, to all the little things, the laughter, the love that will fill your days ahead. Cheers.
Keenan, you've always brought so much joy and love into our life. And Lacy, from the moment we met, we saw how perfectly you fit together. Today we celebrate not just your love, but the joining of our families. May your life together be filled with laughter, joy, and endless love. I'm so happy to call you my daughter. So here's to a beautiful, long life filled with lots of love. I love you both.
Fries and Coke!
Fries and Coke!
Lacy, thank you for being the heart of so many of our best memories.
And Keenan, thank you for being her safe place, her partner, and her very best match.
Thank you, everybody, for coming. It means the world to us. I love seeing it. I wish I could talk to every single one of you more, but time doesn't allow that. But I love you all like fries and Coke.